Have you ever wondered what financially free people actually do differently? It's not luck. It's not a secret. It's a series of simple, repeatable habits that they practice consistently, no matter how much they earn. In today's video, we'll break down the daily, weekly, and mindset habits that separate financially free people from those still living paycheck to paycheck. Because the truth is, financial freedom isn't about having millions. It's about having control, peace of mind, and the freedom to choose how you live your life. Financially free people don't just think about money. They think about what money does for them. They focus on value, not vanity. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" they ask, "Will this move me closer to freedom?" They also treat money like a partner, not a problem. They budget, plan, and invest because they know money grows when you pay attention to it. Here are a few key habits you'll almost always see. Tracking spending. They know where every dollar goes. Not to restrict themselves, but to stay intentional. Paying themselves first. Before bills or splurges, they save or invest automatically. Living below their means. Not in a stingy way, but smartly. They upgrade slowly, only when assets grow. Continuous learning. Books, podcasts, or mentors, they never stop improving their money IQ. Avoiding debt traps. They use credit strategically, never emotionally. It's not about being perfect. It's about building habits that run on autopilot. Financially free people play the long game. They don't chase get-rich-quick trends. They focus on steady growth through saving, investing, and patience. They understand that every small decision compounds, like a snowball rolling downhill. Every dollar saved, every wise choice, every month of consistency brings them closer to the freedom they're working for. And that's the biggest secret. Financial freedom isn't built overnight. It's built every single day through habits that align with your goals. So start today. Pick one new money habit and practice it daily, because the difference between stress and freedom is consistency. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their money.